Welcome to our video on the top 5 beer-producing countries in the world. From crispy lagers to strong ales, beer is one of the world's most popular beverages. But some countries produce more beer than others. Let's take a look at the top 5 beer-producing countries. China is in 5th place. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, it's no surprise that China is one of the world's largest beer producers. In 2019, China produced over 150 million hectoliters of beer, making it the 5th largest beer producer in the world. Known for its light and refreshing taste, Chinese beer is often served chilled to withstand the hot summer heat. 4th on our list is Russia. With a rich brewing history, Russia is known for its strong, hearty beers. In 2019, Russia produced over 175 million hectoliters of beer, making it her 4th largest beer producer in the world. Often made with a combination of wheat and barley, Russian beer is known for its unique and intense flavor. 3rd place is Mexico. With a hot climate and a penchant for all things cold and refreshing, it's no surprise that Mexico is one of the world's biggest beer producers. In 2019, Mexico produced over 190 million hectoliters of beer, making it her 3rd largest beer producer in the world. Known for its crisp, refreshing taste, Mexican beer is often served with lime to enhance the taste. The 2nd place is Japan. With its unique brewing tradition, Japan is known for its high-quality beer. In 2019, Japan produced over 200 million hectoliters of beer, making it the 2nd largest beer producer in the world. Known for its clean, refreshing taste, Japanese beer pairs well with sushi and other seafood dishes. Finally, top of the list is the United States. With its rich brewing tradition and beer-loving culture, the United States is the world's largest beer producer. In 2019, the United States produced over 220 million hectoliters of beer, making it the world's largest beer producer. Known for its diverse styles, from hoppy IPAs to smooth lagers, American beer is loved by beer lovers around the world. These are the top 5 beer-producing countries in the world. From China to the United States, these countries are responsible for producing some of the world's most delicious and popular beers. The next time you toast, think of the hard-working people who make it all possible. Thanks for watching.